G'day, here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from Central Queensland. I don't know which field they've come from. Basically offcuts or rubs from a cutter, I think. Rules and millimetres, materials wetted, and the white that you're seeing there is the light reflecting off the water. Okay, I've just gone in a bit closer. It's nice royal blue piece. It's only thin on the top, as a lot of Boulder Opal quite often is. This piece needs Dremel, burrs to finish it. Nice electric green flash there. Purpley blues. Bit of a point there, needs to be ground off, of course, shaped up. Again, purple. Dark purple in the middle. There you have it. I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.